Happy morning, children. Today English class for grade 4. In English class, in this video, we are going to discuss about a poem. The title is Why. In this video, we are going to cover the explanation and new words of this poem, Why. Shall I start, children? Here, first stanza for you. See the lines, dear children. Okay. I know a curious little boy who is always asking why. Why this? Why that? Why then? Why now? Why not? Why? By the by. Here, the poet says that he knows a little boy who is curious, always asking questions about anything and everything. He is very anxious and eager to know something about everything. He keeps on asking why this, why that, why now, and why not, and other similar questions about everything he comes across. Next, second stanza. Here, he wants to know why wood should swim, why lead and marble sing, why sun should shine and wind should blow, and why we eat and drink. In this stanza, the poet further describes the queries of the little boy. He asks questions like why does wood swim in water while lead and marble sink in it? This question asked by him indicates that his imagination is very strong. He has good observation skills. Next, third stanza. He wants to know what makes the clouds and why they cross the sky. Why sinks the sun behind the hills? And why the flowers die? In this stanza, the poet gives some more examples of the questions asked by the little boy. He says that the boy wants to know what are the clouds made up of and why do they move up in the sky, unlike all other things that move on the ground. He also wants to know that at sunset, why does the sun disappear behind the hills? And what is the reason that the pretty flowers in the garden die all of a sudden? Next, fourth stanza for you. Here, some of these whys are not too hard to answer if you will try. Others, no one ever ate, has found the reason why. Here, in this stanza, the poet says that some of these questions asked by the little boy are not difficult to answer. We just need to think a little about it and can satisfy the child's curiosity. But the answer to some other questions is not even known to us as we have not pondered over them. Dear children, next we will see the short summary for this poem, Why. Here, this poem, Why, is an insight into the mind of a little boy. All children are curious and eager to know reasons for everything happening around them. Whatever they find unusual, they think about why it is so. This little boy, who has been talked about in the poem, speaks out all his queries. His inquisitive mind reflects his intelligence. He asks that why does wood swim on the surface of water while marble and lead sink in it? This shows that he observes everything. He also asks questions about the clouds, sun, wind, flowers, etc. We have the answers to some of his questions, while some others need a little thinking. Still, there are some such questions, the answers to which even we do not have. We have considered them to be facts and accepted them. Next, let's discuss about new words. It means difficult words and its meaning also. Here, first one, curious. A person who wants to know or learn something. The next one, lead. Here, used to symbolize something heavy. And next one, marble. Here, used to symbolize something hard. Next one, sink. To go below the surface or to the bottom of a liquid. Here, water. Next, hard. Difficult to understand or solve. Then final one, reason. An explanation for an action. Okay children, note it down your today's homeworks. Here, read and write the new words and its meaning. Dear children, listen carefully. Again I will read this. Read and write the new words and its meaning. Okay children? And then next one, you have to read the poem lines why. Okay? Okay children, I hope you all are listened very well. So we will see in our next video. Thank you.